Hi everybody, Flat Out Bank Angling. I'm going to have kind of a little bit of a mixed video today. I have some footage of me going out, hitting the water. Didn't turn out to be productive, but it was still a nice day. I used my new bait caster, and the water here in Jersey has just been so cold. I mean, even the air's nice, the water's been cold. And I threw everything that would be deep and in the water. I did no top water, figuring that because it's cold, the water's cold, it'd be deeper. I couldn't get a bite. But it was a good day. I'm going to do some shout outs in this video. Today was actually opening season today in Jersey. I'll be going out. I don't know if I'm going to get out today, but during the week I'm going to get out. See if I can get some trout and let the water warm up a little bit, hit them bass. I don't always want to give you guys multi-species days. I don't want to bore you with that, but I enjoy doing that when I can't catch bass. And but I want to let you know I'm out doing the bass day, and I'm just not catching. Hi everybody, Flat Out Bank Angling. Out of the lake I haven't been at for a while. Last time I was here, I caught a pickerel and a couple of nice bass, 2+ pounds. The pickerel was a pretty nice sized pickerel. The only thing is today's a real busy day out here, and I've talked to some people and they haven't caught anything, so maybe we have the magic stuff. Let's give it a shot. Let's get after it. Alright everybody, we're going to do our first cast. Chatterbait, white chartreuse, and I have a little Kai-Tech. Impact on the back as a trailer. Got a leaf or something? Ain't swimming right. It's got some good plants in here. It had good some plants last time I was here. Last time I was here was actually, you can rent kayaks here. And I was on a kayak, which I plan on doing this year. Last year I couldn't because of the cyst. It's windier than I thought it was out here today. It's overcast, but it's still in the 70s, so that's a good thing. Okay, everybody. So, because water has been cold and I haven't been able to catch anything with what I've been using, one thing I haven't been using is Ned rigs. I purchased some stuff that came in recently that, to me, you can't beat this color. Okay. If you remember last year, there was one video that it was a short trip, and I ended up catching what looked like, I didn't have my scale with me, but looked like it was could be, a big 3, maybe a 4 pound fish, and I caught it on a Ned rig, but with a half a Senko. That was a two-tone Senko. Well, I like that two-tone Senko, and this is basically the Z-Man version of that Senko. Okay. I bought the longer ones because I figured I could always cut them down. You can see the chartreuse belly, and they're calling the top of this copper. Okay, but to me, it's more like a watermelon red. This is the stuff right here. If I'm not using some kind of white or pearl with pink, blue, and the purples in it, this is something that I like. You know, it's different because a lot of people don't throw stuff like this, and it looks different to the fish. But I also bought the green pumpkin. You know, the uh, the old standby for everybody. Okay, believe it or not, I really don't catch much on these kinds of colors. The stranger the color, the better I do. And I got a couple that rig of the heavier weight jig heads.